Hello guys, it's me again. I just did the promotion on the other items, and I found this item, and I think it's a really great deal. Regular price for this one is $99, and now we can get it for $48, less than 50%. What you're looking at is the brand name is Axxonn's rectangular tile top fire pit, Brownish Bronze. The size is what, 37 by 28 wood burning fireball. So if you guys have a patio out, a front patio, back patio, this would be a great addition to it. Your kids can, cook the marshmallow on top, and looks like it's really safe. And on over here, it looks like it has like tile. It looks like it's durable. The reviews you can see here, 3.9 out of 5, 4 stars out of 5, which is not bad. Let's see. They have the metal protections. Looks good for the price. I don't think you can beat it. I've made a fire pit before. There was a promotion. Excuse me, from Home Depot for about $50 as well. But I think the other brand was kind of like a circle, and it was made by Hamilton, and this one is by Axxonn. So let's take a look at some of the review and see what people are saying about this product itself. This one here, very nice addition to our sitting area. This is very nice, easy to clean up, and makes family fun night even more fun. The only thing I don't like is the tiles they give you to put around the top of the frame do not fit perfect, so they stick up because the frame is not level. It might be something that I can adjust, but I'm not worried about it. It still looks nice. That's the positive reviewer, and this is the negative one, who's rated as a 2-star out of 5. Not worth it. I love the use of fire pit. The biggest issue I had was the fire pit is spark tray rusted and bent very quickly. I had it for a year now, and with only one season of use, the spark tray did not hold up. I assume from the wear and tear of the weather and use, which is to be expected. However, when trying to purchase a replacement tray, I cannot find one to fit this item. What's more insane is that every replacement spark tray I find costs more than the fire pit with the spark tray. Wow. Okay, as you can see, the reviews, a lot of them are 5 stars, and of course you're going to get a few that are not really happy with it, negative about it. But again, if you're taking the price into the considerations, and shipping is free, it just nowadays it's hard to beat. You think about it, if you're gonna build one like this, how much is it gonna cost you? Like a lot of money. And here you just $50, is at your door. According to here, it says you can arrive next day as well. So it's a great deal in my opinion. So once again, if you like the video, please give it a like. If my channel has somehow helped you guys save some money, please don't hesitate but to subscribe. It's going to help out the channel a lot. And so also make sure you click on the bell notification, so that way you're not going to be missing out any of my upcoming promotional videos. Other than that, it's Sunday. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.